Latest crypto and NFT news. Bored Ape reveals the trial of Jimmy, mint coming soon. Bored Ape Yacht Club unveils the first trailer of the trial of Jimmy the Monkey. The prologue of a new chapter is part of the lore based on the official roadmap. The mint begins on January 11, 2023, at MDVMM. XYZ. The trailer begins with the Bored Apes hanging out at the Yacht Club bar. The video zooms into a monkey relieving in the bathroom, which was previously revealed to a collaborative graffiti board for holders. Fast forward, a mysterious armored figure emerges from the toilet seat and hands over a treasure box and key. According to the official statement, the trial of Jimmy will bring out a unique experience for BOIC and MOIC holders, revealing a free playable mint experience. The team will also hint at small narratives that owners need to piece together to figure out the whole narrative. Visit our website for more news.